Hello friends, welcome to Gupta Education World. Data validation is very useful technique in MS Excel. One function of data validation is to create drop-down list and restrict the values in the cell. However, sometimes we feel that how to copy the validation formula of one sheet to the second sheet. So in this video, I will explain you to create a validation list and how to copy the validation formula from one sheet to second sheet. So without wasting your precious time, let's begin the topic. Suppose in this column, we have to restrict the entries to the names of countries available here. So firstly, we have to give a name to this list. For that, we will go to tab formula and use the name manager function. Now here we will create new and we will give the name as country name. And we will click OK. So now this list has a name of country name. Now we will go to this cell and go to data tab. In this data validation tab is there. We will click on data validation and in the tab settings we will select list. Now in this source we will mention the name of the list. There we have mentioned the name as country name and we will click OK. So now you can see this list has the drop-down list of country names, and if we try to mention any other name, it will not accept that. Suppose we will try to write Pakistan, so this entry has been restricted. But if we try to mention India, so it has accepted that. So now our second query is that how to copy this validation formula to this sheet. So we will copy this cell and go to this sheet, and suppose we have to paste in this cell. So in that we will right click and go to paste special tab. In this one validation is there, so we will click on this and OK. So now you can see that formula is available here also. So here if we try to mention any other name, suppose Pakistan, so it is not available here. Similarly, if we type any other name ABC, it will not accept here, but only China or India, whatever name available here, it will accept that name only. If you find any difficulty, please mention the same in comment box. And if you like this video, please press like button and share this video to your friends and colleagues. Press on subscribe button and bell button to get notifications of videos uploaded in future. Thank you friends. Vande Mataram and Jai Hind.